Hey guys, welcome back to another one, and this is a quick follow-up video for the hypothetical situation if I put all of my extra cash into cryptocurrency. This one is Bitcoin, and I apologize for being a couple days late. I've been super busy over the past couple days, but let's check it out. Good thing we can always snapshot from, 1 August or the beginning of the month or the end of the month where we would have ended at the previous video. Now, it is the 7th of August today, and cryptos have been rallying quite hard. So I'm pretty interested to see how the 15th or the next video will turn out. But let's check it out. So, once again, just quick overview here. Assumptions, I have savings. I'm always going to put a little bit of money away from my Roth 401k, my brokerage, and my emergency fund. And that will total to about $500. And in this hypothetical situation, which isn't too far off, a paycheck of $2,200 approximate. And then everything that's residual after putting away from those savings, fiat savings, I would just transfer that 100% into cryptocurrency. For this example, it's all BTC, all Bitcoin, and we will see what happens. So we checked it out at the very beginning of July. BTC started at 33,000 approximately and ended at approximately 32,000. So it declined about 3.5%. So all that residual money that I had from paying out my expenses, which was $950. Because of that change, that small change from 33,000 to 32,000, the negative 3.5%, it made my surplus of extra cash that I had of $917. And guys, another quick hypothetical situation, even though this is currently how I live my life, I swipe everything with my credit card for the most part, so I very rarely use cash. So most of my expenses, my bills, and restaurants, groceries, when I pay for gas, all that's credit cards. So all of that is charged at the very end of the month. So July, it was 31 July, I pay out my credit cards. And that's why everything is on this column over here, and that's why these expenses are blank. Because even though I swipe my card on the between the 1st and the 14th, I don't have to pay those charges until the very end of the month. And it's kind of neat, and it's actually very easy to track things that way. So let's continue on to the 15th through 31st of July. Once again, we get paid that same amount, $2,200. I still put $200 away to the Roth 401k. $200 away to the brokerage account. I do like day trading still, and $100 away to the emergency fund. Definitely recommend emergency fund if you guys don't have it, guys. So that still leaves me with $1,700 to transfer into crypto, and let's see what it looks like. So BTC starts at 32,000 once again because it ended there, and let's check out those expenses. Mortgage, I do split it in half, so I pay half on the first half of the month and half on the second half of the month. So $450 still remains the same. Insurance still remains approximately the same. The bills throughout the month, I am pretty lame, so I know some people might have more grocery bills, entertainment bills, and all that good stuff, but I'm pretty low key as of right now. So I only spent $547 throughout the month. That's for bills, and the bills are paying water, utilities, my internet bill, and all that good stuff. So that's what the bills are. And then the credit card, that's like groceries, restaurants, entertainment, all that stuff. So between those two, a little over $1,000 is what I spent for the entire month, and that brings it for a total of $1,800 for the second half of the month, which is a little bit over, what I got paid for this paycheck. But because the entire month we're counting that, I did have a little bit of surplus from, the first half of the month, which helps pay out these bills. And because of that surplus of, $917, you subtract 100 from that, I have a little over $800 that incurred a huge gain because cryptocurrency did jump quite a bit from the lows of 32,000 to where it was on the end of the month, around $41,000. So that's a 28% increase So my $917 from the first half of the month, and when you subtract my expenses throughout the month of $109, it brings me up to 1204. So as of right now, this has been a lucrative investment, and this is just month one. I'm kind of curious to see what the rest of the year will look like, and I don't know. What do you guys think? What are ways that I can improve this and make it more realistic? Anything else you do want to see? I know I'm very curious what Ethereum would look like, and it'd be pretty easy for me to convert this over to Ethereum as well as BTC. But I think the pros here so far, and it's just to show you that if you just leave your dollars just sitting in your account, at the end of the month, first half, I would have $917. And then after paying all my bills, I would have about $800. But if you swap it all over to cryptocurrency, then just by the nature of the way crypto is right now, instead of that $800 in my account, I have $1,200, hypothetically speaking, in my account. I don't know, it's pretty neat so far. And once again, let me know in the comments below what you think of this and how I can improve on this and anything else that you guys want to see. And I will see you guys next time.